Okay, I got my facelift tools. Let's go. Hey cuties! Mwah! So today I'm giving myself a facelift because your girl's droopy. I'm Droopy Spice. Ain't it nice? What the fuck? Hello everyone! If you have not been on Droopy Face TikTok, what the hell? I have a droopy face and I need it fixed. So basically I ordered from TikTok, well not from TikTok, from somebody's TikTok. Her name's Chloe Waters, but basically, okay, let's just pause right off the bat. These extensions are put in my head so terribly. I really need to fire the stylist. Me. It was me that did it, so just try to ignore it. They are terribly put in. To be fair, I guess it's on brand for me. She gets like millions and millions of views on like giving herself an instant facelift with her face tapes, and she sells them. So I bought them from her, or her link or whatever, and they came actually very slow shipping, but I loved the price of them. They were very, very cheap. They were $20 for 40 pieces and 3 elastics, and shipping was free to Canada. So I'm not complaining about that. And I also tipped $1. Like, was I drunk? What the hell? Why? I was like, I'm gonna tip $1. Like, for what? Like, nothing against her. I'm just like wondering why I tipped. Like, I was like, I'm so excited. Like, thank you for the facelift. Like, here's $1. Like, what is wrong with me? Maybe like, cause I was like, oh, there's free shipping. Like, I don't know, what the hell? So I've already unboxed them because I thought to do a really good review. I don't do good reviews, but some of you guys miss my reviews, and I thought this was like a perfect thing to do because I am the perfect candidate. Hello, Drew. So I wanted to do it good, is what I said, and I wanted to do it without makeup and then with makeup. So this was me unboxing it and trying it out and getting it lifted without makeup right here. Okay, hello. This is the packaging that it came in. It looks like this. Pretty basic-yo. Basic-yo. It's sick. Ah, do these work? Okay, Secret Lift Original Instant Eye, Neck, and Jaw Lift. Apparently, like, let's take a look here. Well, let's not be crook. Don't be a crook. Like, this is what I need right here. Just the jaw part of this. Like, hello, I love this. Oh, step 1. Oh my god. Holy, I need to read. Like, these are all the instructions. It's like, whoop, this whole page. Okay, I think I got it, but on here it says for dark hair. I don't know if there was an option and I just didn't see it, or if there was an option. I don't know. But let's try it out. Let's see what it looks like. It's pretty like basic, simple packaging, which, I mean, for the price, like, what do you expect? Oh my god, girl. Oh, this is what it, or there's a lot of them in here.
Okay, so it comes with
this little one, and then these two bigger ones. I've looked at how to do it, but they all came, the girl already has them attached. These little flap girls look like this. So I think you hook them and then you face the tape. You have these like little, kind of like what you have on your, like, drawstrings, kind of. It's like needle and threading. This is how little it is. That's apparently for your jaw. But when she's doing it, she's using a black one. But you need 2 of these together for up here, and then 1 of these for here. But she's using, I can see 2 of them. Oh my god, this looks like it's not gonna reach. Oh, maybe it will. Okay. Okay, let's just try it out. Trial and error, right? Let's just try it, girl. So you remove these. So it goes like right, oh my god. I'm a beginner, so girl, like right here. Maybe relax. Oh my god. Just stick it and be done with it. Okay, I'm sticking it. Hold that, and then put the, ah! Okay, the other one. Did it do anything? It just came off, it just fell off. Crap! It might not be the product, it might be me. And I didn't put any lotion on either. I did wash my face earlier, but I don't have any lotion on. I feel like that's not gonna stay. Oh, not at all. So this, it just came off. Yeah. All right, that did not work at all. This is going good. Okay, let's just trial and error. I have like literally nothing on. Weird. I don't want to like give this a bad review if it's me, you know what I mean? Okay, so I read and it says make sure your hands are clean with no lotion. I just got my nails done, so I do have lotion on my hands, but I'm gonna try not to touch. I'm gonna go wash their hands. Hands are clean, and then I just also like just splashed water and then made sure and towel dried. So we're dry, we are clean. Okay. She's not using this one though, that's why I'm like, is this gonna like stick? I'm not gonna touch the adhesive this time. So I'm just gonna remove it. What's this? Yes, I have hair there. And we're just gonna stick it once, really down there, secure. I'm going to remove this, but not touch it this time. I'm being way more careful. Okay, this is like, this one's gonna fall off, I could feel it. Okay, we are on, we're secured. Pushing them down. Okay, Did I do anything? I'm gonna quickly get a before and after. I feel like this one's not in the same place. It just fell off. My hair was on it a little bit, but this is really annoying. Okay, it's on there, no hair. I did not touch anything. Okay. Did it do anything? Let's look. Okay, so I think it did. You can tell because this one I have it more over here more. I don't want to like unstick this one again because you can see the difference, right? This side's a little bit more jowly because this one's a little bit further back. So I think it does work. I feel like they're stuck there now. I'm gonna do my makeup and then do it. There's this. I think they are supposed to be one. I'm like scared to talk because I can like feel the tape starting to move. Do you just hook these? What? This doesn't say on here. What? I'm just joining these together. This is, I feel it's falling off. Like I feel it falling off. I feel like this is secure, right? Okay, so now you have to section your hair like this. I don't care if you can see them because this is for the video, right? I'm gonna take more of these clean ones. I'm trying not to move around a lot because I literally can feel. So this is a neck and jaw lift. So now this one's the actual like facelift. You see those two little dots? So there's two of them. This one's telling me to do it the more closer over here. Okay, that's on. They do secure really well once you get them on. This is what I have. I feel like I won't be able to contour if this is here. It's like telling you to put it like right on your hairline. Like right here, bestie. It doesn't stick. But it's literally showing to put it on. This one just came off. Great! Okay, we're gonna keep it off then because like, I don't know what the hell's going on. Like I won't be able to contour there. Like it doesn't stick because I have like little fine hairs here. Like, do you need to shave? Girl, like this isn't sticking at all. Like, this is, I'm gonna go wet my face again because maybe there is residue lotion from last night. I don't know, but this one's off already. This is I bet it did do something because you're literally pulling your skin back. I just wish this was more sticky. So I'm gonna put it more on my skin and I just washed this. Okay, it is sticking more, so I could have been the problem. I'm gonna put it over my ears. It's already lifting, I can feel it. It's also gonna be a problem when I try to like do my makeup, but I really want to see what it looks like. Oh my god, this is not sticking at all. I feel like you get like one shot at this and that's it. Did it do something? I feel like I'm like talking like this. So we can get the full effect. I just want to get like a before and after. Gonna fall off! You can just feel it. I put them on evenly this time. It just keeps falling off! Like it's like a one-stop thing. Like you can't touch them at all. This one's actually holding pretty well. I feel like if I move my face in a weird way, then it'll pop. Kind of like if you actually had a facelift. Girl, bye. Okay, I have new ones again. Okay, girly pop. Put it on like this. She's on there. Okay, get all hair away. Okay, here's like the full-on facelift. It feels like these are gonna hold. I didn't get any hair, no lotion now. Okay, besties, I'm trying not to do this. Okay, do we see a difference? I don't see much of a difference. Why? Okay, do you guys? I think I had my hair up in the before, so let's just put my hair up and let's get to it. Okay, so I am going to go, I think I'm just gonna use new ones. I think I'm going to do my makeup and then come back here and then do the face tapes again, and I'll see you guys in a bit. These seem like they're sticking a lot better now, so just really make sure you have clean hands. But okay, it took us a while to get the hang of it, but I'm gonna do my makeup. I'll be right back. Okay, we have makeup on. Let's go ahead and do this. I set them all up already. I don't know if they're gonna stick now with all of this like stuff on my face, like contour, foundation, bronzer, you know, the whole works. I really don't think it's gonna stick, honestly, because it didn't stick with like a little bit of lotion like that was like previously, you know, on my face. So let's give it a whirl. I don't think you could put makeup over top because they came out to here, so you would have to like, you would see, you know what I mean? So it would make sense to put it on top of makeup and then, you know, do that. So I really hope they stick. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and like, oh my god, I have so much hair now. This is gonna be hard. Ew, why was I talking like that? Okay. Oh no! Let's stick it. Yeah, my foundation isn't blended. Like, it's whatever. Here. Ooh, it seems good, besties. Okay, I think I did good. I think I did better. Oh, I'm like ripping it. It's really just like trial and error and like, oh my god, I did this one wrong. This is the My foundation is all over it. I'm so upset right now. I have this one off. I'm like, it's all trial and error as like I'm doing it wrong. I'm ruining so many of these. It literally is just like getting the hang of it and like routine. Practice makes perfect. I will tell you, it's annoying with nails. I guess we're starting here. I just stuck this to my finger. Like re-sticking it because I'm so tired of this. Like, I'm so tired of this. No, it's already coming off. You can see it's already coming off. I'm gonna have to get a new one. Like, this is just,
Oh no!
this isn't supposed to be funny. Like, I don't want to sit here and do this all day. So, okay, we're just gonna do the jaw one first because this one's already ready to go. The fact that I did it perfect too. Stick. Okay, good. Okay, now, if I let this go, it's gonna come off. Yep, it came off. It does not work with makeup. Like, it came right off. This is just, it's so annoying. I can't even tell you how annoying this is. Like, it already stuck, so it's not gonna stick again. Oh my god. Ah! Okay, I know it's just gonna come flying off. Like, I'm trying. It's coming off. Like, it doesn't work for me. Okay, it just doesn't work. It legit doesn't work for me. And I can tell with the makeup on that it's not working. So let's try up here because I'm getting so frustrated. Another one of these. The hair. It's a free facelift. Well, not free, but that one's on. It's not sticking at all. I don't know if it's my hair, it's my makeup. I don't know if she's done it with makeup. It's already coming off. I can feel it and hear it. Oh, I can feel it lifting. Oh, I put it right because it goes right behind my ears. Yeah, it's not sticky. You can just see it. Like, I stuck it and it stuck for like a second. There. Did it do anything? Let's take down the hair. Okay, this is just without the jaw. Let's do a quick before and after. Ah! This came off. I can't. Like, it just, you can't wear these. You can't smile. You can't talk. Well, I can't. I shouldn't say you can't. It just is like not working out for me. Yeah, I can't even do it before and after. It doesn't stick. Okay, like I don't know if this is user error or what. I'm gonna use like the whole 40 of these. I cannot get my full face to stick with makeup on. I'm just gonna hold and see if she's done it with makeup on. Okay, now I'm genuinely confused. I went to see and I was like, oh, this video she has makeup on. Okay, well, that is not what I have. Like, mine aren't blue like that, and they're not like that. I don't know if they're a different one, but I bought it from her link. Okay, and then the ones where she's not wearing makeup are literally the ones that I have right here. She has makeup on here, but I don't know if she put on them and then, because my makeup is like not sticking. Hers are really stuck on there, and hers are square, and it has the string, but they're square. Mine are not square. Mine are circular. Like, when she's pulling it off, it's really, really sticky. And it's square, so like it literally is I think it's the adhesive. Like, maybe I need to get like different adhesive, like, because I feel like these strings are beneficial, but I just need a stronger adhesive. So maybe like suggestions, please. But I wish I could show you like a full before and after, but that's about it. That's my real review and my real opinions and thoughts. Let me know what you guys think. If you want to see more reviews, hit the thumbs up button, and I love you so much. Bye!